Okay, so you have marijuana in your pocket?
Yes.
Are you okay if I remove that?
It's not in the dispensary packaging.
That's what I just asked, and you said yes.
No, I said I had a medical marijuana.
Uh-oh, Stacy's looking hard at me opening this little pill bottle.
No, I'm not.
Oh, Stacy! Oh, you're under arrest, Stacy.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, you got meth on you too, Stacy.
On the evening of February 13th, 2026, a Flagler County Sheriff's Office PACE unit detective was driving on Pine Lakes Parkway in Palm Coast when he observed a lit ember thrown from the passenger side window of a white Toyota Camry directly in front of him. With Flagler County under an active burn ban due to dry conditions and elevated wildfire risk, and just days after a wildfire had threatened the Plantation Bay neighborhood, the detective initiated a traffic stop. What began as a burn ban violation quickly unraveled into a significant narcotics investigation involving 2 Palm Coast residents. Detectives identified the driver as 55-year-old Stacy Jean Pringle and the front seat passenger as 47-year-old Christian Andrew Hiley, both of Palm Coast. Hiley was immediately nervous, moving erratically and repeatedly reaching toward his waistband. When asked to exit the vehicle, detectives detected a strong odor of marijuana on him. A search revealed marijuana in non-dispensary packaging and methamphetamine found in his pocket, which he denied was his. His medical marijuana card had expired in 2021. A search of Pringle turned up 2 bags of methamphetamine on her keychain and another bag hidden in her bra. At the Sheriff Perry Hall inmate detention facility, a more thorough search uncovered yet another bag of methamphetamine concealed in Pringle's bra, adding a charge of introduction of contraband into a detention facility.
This guy might be sitting on something.
I understand what the problem is.
What do you keep reaching for in your
Yeah, he was very...
I'm not doing
Before...
anything.
Okay, stop.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Apologize.
All right, that's like the 4th time you've reached inside.
I did not. I just got out of the car.
Okay. Do you have a medical marijuana card or anything like that?
Yes, I do.
Okay, hold on. Without reaching for it, okay, do you have a medical marijuana on your person?
Pardon?
Do you have any medical marijuana on your person?
On my person? Like in my pocket?
On your body?
Yes.
Okay, that's what I'm asking. Is it in the packaging? Because when I'm out here with you, I can smell marijuana now.
Yeah.
That's what... Okay, so you have marijuana in your pocket?
Yes.
In the packaging that comes from the
Yes,
dispensary?
sir.
In the dispensary packaging?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you okay if I remove that?
It's not in the dispensary packaging.
That's what I just asked, and you said yes.
No, I said I had a medical marijuana license or a card.
Okay, all right, because now that I'm out here with you, like, you reek of marijuana, okay? So do me a favor, just put your hands right here for me, okay? And you were moving around a lot.
Come on,
put your
man.
hands up here.
All
right.
What?
Put your hands up here. Don't take them off the card. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
When back there, you kept digging under your body when I was watching
I
you.
was pulling that beer out.
Just search him real quick, Meg.
Oh my God! I don't have any guns, weapons, anything like that.
What is this, cigarettes?
Yes.
All right, I'm just going to take them out, okay?
Sure.
Anything else in there?
No.
Get your hand up there.
I'm
Put your hand on the
sorry.
car. Okay, don't take your hands off the car.
I
Do you
apologize.
understand? He already said it's not in a container anyway, so just, yeah.
Okay.
You're being detained for our safety, okay? You understand?
All right. Yes.
Okay.
I'm
The
sorry.
whole time you were in the car, you were digging around, you kept dropping your hand underneath you, okay? We don't know if you're going for a weapon or what,
I know.
okay?
I wasn't.
Now that you're out of the vehicle, you smell marijuana,
Right.
okay?
Yes.
You said that you don't have any marijuana in dispensary packaging,
Right.
okay?
Yeah.
So that's where we're at, okay?
Right. Yes.
When you carry it, it needs to be in its prescription label, bottle.
10-4.
Okay, just
10-4.
like you get it.
Yes.
That does not
That's
look like
not it.
marijuana. Huh?
That
You said it's not, it's meth.
that is not meth. That is not meth. I swear to God.
Okay.
Well, are you serious? That is not meth.
It certainly
That
looks
is
like it.
not meth. That is not mine.
It came out of your pocket.
No, it didn't.
Oh my God.
That did not come
Oh
out of
my God.
No, oh my God.
Oh
it's right.
my
You
God.
gotta be kidding me.
Don't put that up there. Oh my God.
All right, let's walk back here.
No,
Don't
just
put
finish.
it on
Just
God.
finish.
I did not. That is not mine.
He said don't bring God into this.
10-4. I wouldn't dare do that.
Where's your medical marijuana card at?
It's in my wallet.
In your wallet?
Here, yeah.
Is it valid?
Pardon?
Is it valid?
Well, not the ID. No.
Your medical marijuana card is not valid?
No, not the card. The card isn't valid.
So you don't have a valid medical marijuana card?
I do have a valid medical. Yes.
I just asked you.
I said the card wasn't. The card isn't.
What does that mean?
If it's
It's an old card is basically what I'm
Okay,
trying
so
to say.
do you have a newer card or no?
Correct.
When I check the marijuana dispensary, you're going to be on it?
Yeah.
And valid?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
It's right there.
Okay. But just like a prescription, okay?
Yeah.
Bro, that's a chunk of meth right off a freaking block. Look at that.
Yeah.
What do you mean, dude? I've been doing this 19 years. You don't think I know what meth looks like?
I'm sure you do. I'm not saying that you don't. Come on, man.
It came out of your pocket.
I do not do meth. That is not my.
Are those your pants?
These are my. Of course, yeah.
I was just asking. I was just asking if they were your pants.
Bro.
Yeah, he can't possess it. Christian Hiley. Bro, you ain't got no medical marijuana card, are you kidding?
I do.
You haven't had one since you haven't had one since 2022.
I swear to you, my wife.
I just looked on the dispensary database. You haven't had one since 2022. 4 years.
Really?
Yeah, really. And you're not allowed to possess it. The streets.
exactly.
No. Where'd I get that? I got that from a friend.
Ask me from a
Who
dispensary.
has what do you call it? Who has a medical marijuana? I swear to you.
It doesn't work that way.
People that have a medical marijuana card, you can get the instead.
Well, and you've never heard of someone like giving another person.
Oh, we hear about it all the time, but it's illegal.
We hear about drug dealing all the time.
But it's illegal. All right, do me a favor. Handle this stuff in your hands.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, Stacy's looking hard at me opening this little pill bottle.
No, I'm not.
Oh, Stacy! Oh, you're under arrest, Stacy.
Oh my god.
Oh my God, you got meth on you too, Stacy. In her pill bottle, in her hand.
Ask us if we're shocked.
This is my shocked face.
Nope.
And guess what, Stacy? We're gonna seize your car for forfeiture as well, okay?
Oh my god.
Oh my God, is right.
Hiley was charged with unlawful possession of a controlled substance without a prescription, a felony, along with misdemeanor possession of marijuana under 20 grams and disposing of a lighted substance. His felony case, filed February 17, 2026, remains open with a pretrial hearing scheduled for April 22, 2026. Court records also reveal a prior November 2024 arrest for burglary with assault or battery, battery by strangulation, and misdemeanor battery. All three charges were dropped via announcement of no information in December 2024. Additionally, a divorce filing was opened in Flagler County in March 2026. Pringle was originally charged with possession of methamphetamine, with intent to sell, possession of drug paraphernalia, and introduction of contraband into a detention facility. The contraband charge was subsequently dropped via announcement of no information on February 26, 2026, and the possession charge was amended. Her case also remains open with a pre-trial hearing set for April 22, 2026. Both defendants qualified for public defenders based on indigent status determinations. Pringle was released on a $5,500 bond. Hiley remains held on a $3,500 bond. Both cases are active and moving through Flagler County's felony court system. Sheriff Rick Staley noted that what started as a burn ban traffic stop ended with a drug dealer off the streets, underscoring how a single minor infraction committed directly in front of a detective set off a chain of events that exposed a larger narcotics operation in the vehicle.